How to make money online. Are you a high school or college student struggling to cover up bills? Or just a family guy looking to double your income? Have you thought of several business methods but don't have enough cash to start? What if we told you that you don't even need any startup fee to start making money? Yes, you don't. And today, we'll show you how. Welcome to Thriven Authority, and in today's video, we'll be going over some verified tips on how to make money online. If you really spooked for this, then why not give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and definitely turn on the notifications bell so you don't miss out on any tip. Now, let's talk money. Tip number 1. Become a blogger. Blogging is one of the oldest and most popular methods of making money online. Its simplicity as an activity that can be executed by almost anyone makes it even way better. Becoming a blogger requires that you have a few skills, but most of these skills can be developed or learned on the fly. Blogging is a very lucrative online money-making method such that one can quickly start making up to $2,000 per month. In fact, Glassdoor reports shows that the average blogger salary is over $32,000 per year. To become a blogger, you just need to have a passion for documenting stuff into writing. The best part about becoming a blogger is that you get to blog about anything that interests you, be it travel, fashion, luxury, science and technology, or futuristic gadgets. The options are endless. By blogging, you also get to improve your writing skills, develop a follower base, connect more with people, and learn several new things as you go. Tip number 2. Become a freelancer. Do you have a skill, something you are quite good at? Whether you are skilled at drawing, singing, painting, writing, teaching, designing, programming, or even dancing, whatever it is, you can freelance with it. The easiest way to make money online is to take your current services at your 9-to-5 job and do it online instead. Making ends meet or doubling your income when you already have a job doesn't need you to quit your current job. An article published by CNBC shows that freelancers that perform freelancer services earn an average of $28 per hour, which is more than what 70% of what regular workers earn. This means freelancing is as lucrative as it can be. By becoming a freelancer, you get to control your hours, choose your clients, hone your skills, and meet with new people. You can work for just a few hours a day every week and make a significant sum at the end of the month. Tip number 3. Become a game streamer. Remember when they say whatever you find yourself doing, do it right? Well, you should, because it's true. You shouldn't be too surprised that game you are so dedicated to playing that everyone keeps complaining about might just be the key to your next big break. Still not sure how? Then let's break it down a little. According to a survey conducted by US telecom firm Verizon, they discovered that online gaming has increased by 75%, while streaming is up by 12%, all in North America. Now, imagine a survey across every possible location. This means people are interested in gaming and many are currently paying for it. With the rise of games of various kinds, including massively multiplayer role-playing games, the desire to reach the finish point has spiked in the minds of game lovers. And if you just happen to be that guy or lady that breaks bad in adventure games, then you just might be able to break well in terms of cash. Start by building a following for yourself as you play popular games like Fortnite and Minecraft. What people want to see is how you are able to successfully make it through certain difficult levels. Eventually, when you have a large following, your followers can start subscribing for exclusive contents. Tip number 4. Become an online tutor. Whether you are one of the few geniuses possessing some great intellectual skills in academic subjects, or one of the average individuals with expertise in certain life skills, then you should consider signing up on TutorMe, Cambly, Tutor.com, or on any of the countless other online tutoring platforms. Online tutoring is a great way of making ends meet and doubling income. Online tutoring allows you to define your tutoring hours and only teach when you choose to. A publication made by Tutors.com shows that freelance online tutors can make about $30 per hour and even more for advanced subjects. You can either work as an online language tutor, as an educational tutor, or a job tutor. Though online tutoring doesn't require much certifications, you need at least a high school diploma to get started. Do keep in mind that sometimes a college degree, experience, or a teaching license might be required. Tip number 5. Start a dropshipping store. Dropshipping is an old business model that is already going viral thanks to the invention of resources like Shopify and Oberlo. Dropshipping involves selling a product to customers without having to see the product yourself. Sounds strange? Well, it isn't. Commonly, dropshippers head over to AliExpress to find cheap and stylish products people would love to buy. Then they create their own store using platforms like Shopify and then list the products on their store while adding a few extra dollars to the prices. So, when a customer orders from your store, you simply order the product from AliExpress and have it delivered straight to your customer without even seeing or touching the product. With profits from e-commerce and dropshipping increasing by 7% and reaching up to $4 billion, Cloudways.com affirms that this online money-making method is still very well profitable. The best part is that it has a low entry barrier, no inventory management, no need for a physical store, and low risk when testing new products. Tip number 6. Become an affiliate marketer. If all you want is just a very good way of earning a few extra bucks, then becoming an affiliate marketer might just be the best path for you. For those who might not know, affiliate marketing allows you to earn a living by promoting other brands. If you're a savvy marketer, you can earn a commission from sales by promoting retail products, software, apps, and more. According to a survey conducted by VigLink, 9% of affiliate marketers earned up to $50,000 in revenue in 2016. This number seems great, however, it requires you having significant marketing experience. Once you have that ability to convince people as to why they need a product, then you are up for money making. Tip number 7. Become an online course creator. Making money online involves both active earning and passive earning. Earning actively isn't bad, but passively is more convenient. Creating courses and selling them is an example of passive earning. By becoming an online course creator, you get to make money from your course even when you are sleeping. All it takes is a few hours or days of recording yourself teaching that activity you do almost every day, and then a sprinkle of marketing. The earning capacity of online courses varies. However, OnlineCourseHow.com says many course creators earn about $1K to $5K per month. Benefits of online courses creation include low cost of starting, low entry barrier, no need for physical product creation, and no need for constant physical attention. Just create once and earn for life. So, are you already thinking of something you can start doing to make you some money? Well, then congratulations! We are glad our video has helped you. So why not give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out anymore on every of our life helping tips.